Medford.
Thank you, Uncle Dan. Happy holidays.
Hey,
Thanks, Uncle Dan. Bye.
hey.
He's gonna go, who's
Thanks, Uncle Dan.
Thanks, Uncle Dan. Say thanks, Uncle Dan, Ellen.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Wow. Okay. Thanks, Uncle Dan.
And what about Aunt Roxanne?
Oh, of course, that goes without saying.
Thank you, Auntie.
Thank you, Auntie.
And girls?
And girls.
Okay. It's a film that we're sending to Medford, so make it good.
Oh.
Dan, Roxanne.
Hello. Happy
kids,
holidays.
Girls.
This is my new camera, 8 megapixels. All right, what have we got in here?
Sweet potatoes.
Yummikins.
Green bean casserole, the usual. Potatoes, prime rib. Wish you guys were here. Hope you come next year. Ooh, that's a rhyming.